A very good morning to all. Today we are moving on to the next topic. So we have already discussed about the types of solid waste, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So today let's discuss how to reduce waste. So you can see the following actions that will help us to reduce waste. So smaller amount of waste is easy to manage. So let's see the different actions that we can take in order to reduce waste. The first one is shop eco-friendly with reusable bags. So whenever you go for shopping, you should always carry a bag so that this will reduce the use of plastic bags and use reusable bags. So plastic waste is actually causing damage to our environment. So the first thing that we can do is we can shop eco-friendly with reusable bags. And whenever you go for shopping, always carry a bag with you. The second thing is reduce food waste. So that is do not waste food. The next point is reduce food waste. So that is you should not waste food. And then another important thing is that you have to store grains, pulses and spices in dry containers in order to prevent spoilage. The next point is try a new way to use old clothes. So in our home we have so many old clothes lying around. So we can use these old clothes to make many new things. For example, you can use old towels and old cotton clothes to make napkins that you can use to clean furniture and vehicles. Then even these clothes can be used in the kitchen. Then another thing is that you can use old fabric materials like denim, which can be used for making shopping bags. So you can find new ways to make use of old clothes. The next point is say no to disposable water bottles and coffee cups. So that is you must avoid using these paper bottles, paper cups, disposable plates so that this will reduce and also save paper. So these are some of the actions that we can take in order to reduce the amount of waste. The next is recycling. Recycling waste. So what is the meaning of recycling? So it is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. So household waste, it contains plastic, it contains paper, glass, metal objects. All these things we can use it again by converting them into new materials. So that process we call it as recycling. So what is recycling? It is a process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. So that is called recycling. So plastic waste is now, it can be used to make new products such as signboards, dustbins, buckets and plastic bags. So the first thing is about plastic. So the plastics that cannot be recycled to make new products is now used to construct roads. So the plastic waste which cannot be used, which cannot be recycled to make new products, they are used to construct roads. So here you can see this road is made from plastic waste. So many of our cities have roads in which plastic waste has been used, by which we can reduce the amount of plastic waste and by which we can recycle the plastic waste. Nearly 1,500 kilometer road in Bangalore city is made by using plastic waste, by which we are recycling the plastic waste. Similarly, paper, the used paper, even we can recycle the used paper. So we know that paper is made from wood. So the used paper can be recycled for making new fresh paper. It can be used for making cardboard, etc. So we know wood is used for making paper. So when we recycle paper, we are able to reduce the waste and we can save the trees which are being cut. Then what about metal objects? Even we can recycle metal objects. Metal objects, waste metal objects are used to make new metal objects. So glass waste, it can be recycled to make new glass objects. So that is about recycling waste. That is converting the waste materials into new materials and objects. By recycling waste, we are actually reducing the amount of waste. So countries like Switzerland and Netherlands, they have a proper waste management system. So we all should try to reduce the amount of waste, and we need to try to recycle the waste. That is, we need to convert these waste materials into useful objects. So I hope this class was clear to you. That is about reducing and recycling waste. So we'll meet in the next class and we'll discuss a new topic. Till then, thank you.